Hey, you're back at the workshop today with me, and today I'm going to do we're going to talk a bit about the Makita brushless battery powered angle grinder. It's 18 volt, and the first thing I'm going to say is, before I get a lot of comments saying, oh, take the guard off the grinder, only amateurs put a guard on the grinder, I'm going to show you a clip right here now is why I like to keep the guard on an angle grinder, and I highly suggest that you guys keep your guards on your angle grinders as well, and also wearing all the safety gear obviously. So I'll show you that clip now. That's why you wear glasses and have a guard on your grinder, I guess. Sweet. So as you could see in that clip, that cutting disc exploded. Probably a little bit my fault there, but the guard stopped that disc flying into my face pretty much, and the grinder itself actually shut off on its own, so that's pretty good. But obviously guys, you want to keep that guard on. It's just stupid if you go ahead and take that off, because you'll end up injured severely when that does happen, and it will happen and if you use these grinders enough. But yeah, so keep the guard on it, it's a good idea. So this is the grinder here itself. This all the model details, you can see it there, DGA504, this one, and we're running a 5 amp hour 18 volt battery on it, BL1850. I'm not going to tell you all the specs and stuff about this thing. I don't really know a hell of a lot about it. I just bought it because I've got the Makita batteries, so I'm obviously going to buy Makita tools now. But in my experience, this thing has been pretty good. I use it pretty much all the time. It's really good for cutting bolts out on the farm, cutting the ends of bolts off when you've got a bolt that's too long. I mean, obviously you could use the right size bolt for a start, but if you're using what you've got and need to cut it off, it's quite handy to have a cut off grinder, battery powered, so you can just quickly chuck it in your box and go. At the moment it's got the wire wheel on it, it's pretty good. If you do any sort of metal work or sort of fixing up of things that are broken, this is a good idea. Whether you've got corded ones or not, it's just ideal to have a cordless one, because it's less pain in the ass to try and get access to power, really. This has got the little switch on top. You can, I think, get ones with the paddle underneath, but this is the one I got and it works pretty good. So whatever sort of brand you're with and batteries you're with, if you're thinking about getting one of these battery powered grinders, I recommend it, highly recommend it. As I was saying earlier, keep that guard on, it will save you. I'll throw a few clips in now of just some cutting of whatever, or grinding, or wire brushing things, if you want to see that. But yeah, I recommend getting one, guys. So we're out here on the farm, and we want to get that shaft off. This is just an example, but these nuts here won't come off, and you're thinking, how the hell am I going to get that off? So you might try and attack it with an impact wrench or something, pretend that that's failed. So we're going to cut them off with the cut-off wheel. I apologise for the audio, it's a bit windy out here, but we'll come over here and you can see I've put a cutting disc on there. This one is a something, just a cheap one, and we're going to cut those off. So I'm crouching down, hiding away from the wind a wee bit, but I've showed you just a few things of what you can do with the grinder, with the flap disc, the wire wheel, the cut-off disc, and yeah, so, and the grinding disc as well. So obviously some of those clips are from my previous videos, but yeah, I highly recommend you get a battery powered grinder regardless of you know, what make it is. I mean, you're obviously going to get the make that your batteries support, so they're just pretty handy, and in the real world I use mine a lot, and yeah, I love it. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to me, and I'll see you next time.